Hi guys, it's me Jimmy Egek. So the question is from Canada today. Let me read the question first. Hey, been watching your video for a while. I am a fresh high school graduate in Canada and I'm in second semester of my computer engineering technology course, which gave you a technology just advanced diploma. The thing is that I don't know if this program is good and will hold much value. We learn programming hardware but also the electrical theory, which is hard. Indeed it is. I was in electronic major and I lost interest in it, but I wanna get through and focus on computer in the later semester. I like programming. I'm good at C. I'm also in a course that does computer repair, so I could get A plus training. I can get the certification later. There is also a co-op option and a university option if your GPA is high enough. Okay, basically doing a vocational training. I'm currently working towards both of those. The truth is that I don't know what I would like to have a career in. I like IT, but it's a big field. I know I should start working toward my optimal career soon. Like I would your value option tell me that you think of my program. If you scroll down, you will see basically he's giving me the website link. Let's talk about it later, and then let's go to the screen and find out what this Canadian dude is doing. Move to the screen. So this is the college that he's doing from. I think it's a vocational college which is called Seneca. Basically you can see CA for Canada. I mean Seneca or Sene Canada. I don't know how it is pronounced. I mean he's doing the computer engineering technology advanced diploma. What I can find out from his question. Yeah, I mean Ontario College Advanced Diploma. Yes, he is doing the Advanced Diploma. Advanced Diploma is equal to Professional Diploma. Advanced Diploma, which is equal to Associate Degree, Higher Diploma, which is the same. Now let me read. He's doing in Computer Engineering Technology. Okay. Now you can see the School of Information and Communication Technology, ICT, blah blah, CompTIA A plus, Network plus, Cisco. Okay, I love it. But he's saying it includes some electronic design stuff, which really make no sense if they are including the CompTIA A plus. Both are different field. And then in a meanwhile, I have just included the link in the description box below. Electronic engineering versus computer and electronic engineering. You can just watch. What is the difference between computer engineering and electronic engineering? You can just find out. Anyways, he said that he's doing the advanced diploma. Let me see. It will take you 3 years. Firstly, this advanced diploma is very, very long. Normally the advanced diploma will only last for 1 year, maximum 2 years, but everywhere around the world it only lasts for 1 year, and then they're asking you to have A level or some kind of 12-year education. It really make no sense. For 3-year advanced diploma you need that kind of education anyway. Yeah, in semester 1 you will learn coding, electricity. Let me see what kind of stuff you're teaching. Electricity, describe the Ohm's law, conserve energy. Okay, I got it. Basically, the stuff is learning electricity. Electricity is good, but it's not electronic. Even I think I have already answered that question. Electrical engineering versus and electronic engineering. I don't know why the hell even they're teaching you electricity, to be honest with you. Electronic lab, instrument, technique. I think they will be teaching you something like multimedia, oscilloscope. To be honest with you, this is worthless in your major. I don't know why. You are doing the computer engineering technology. If there's a technology at the end, there's no electronic design. I don't know why they are offering this kind of weird major. Anyways, introduction to Linux is very useful if you want to become a web developer. Mathematics, programming fundamentals, C again. AC circuit principle, again, it's not useful for you if you want to come into IT. Electronics, semiconductor, this is for becoming an electronic engineer. Or this stuff. Microcomputer repair, I don't know what is microcomputer repair. There is only computer repair. Micro is microprocessor, something like microcontroller.
Yeah, it's about, it's very weird major. Anyways, micro, I mean network essential. I mean, why you're including network essential? If you are preparing a person to become electronic engineer, he don't need to know about networking essential, object oriented, C++, advanced network. Oh my god, to be honest with you, they are giving, this is not computer engineering advanced diploma, this is the combination of electronic engineering plus IT. I mean, it's just including electronic engineering 50%, 50% of bachelor in information technology or computer information system, like the computer repair or the computer network stuff. It's really weird. I mean, to be honest with you, if I was one of you, I will basically drop out from this one. To be honest with you, basically they are teaching you stuff that really are not needed in IT. I mean, it's better you get a real electronic or real computer engineering advanced diploma or bachelor, which will prepare to become an engineer rather than becoming on a double standard. If you can see, I mean, advanced mathematics. Why the hell you need advanced mathematics? We really do not need any advanced mathematics in IT. Anyway, let me find, I mean, it's not, I mean, to be honest with you, I'm not impressed. I will never ever recommend anyone to join this one. Why? Basically, they have not tell you what the hell you will become after graduating for it. You can see they are talking about A plus network plus MCSC, which is IT. And then they have included bazillion, I mean, like modules like mathematics, circuit design, electronics, semiconductor, like they will teach you about capacitor, all that stuff. I mean, to be honest, you just stay away from it. But if you wanna join, you have to grind, my friend. There are no options, just try to grind. But do not get me wrong, if you learn this kind of stuff, I mean, you will be valuable. I mean, what I can say, after graduating from this diploma, advanced diploma, you can come into Internet of Things. Yes, Internet of Things is the next major boom. I mean, to come into Internet of Things, to earn money in Internet of Things, you need to have some computer knowledge, the PC repair knowledge, and then a microcontroller knowledge, and then electronic design knowledge. You can get that kind of job. Yeah, I will recommend only if you want to come into Internet of Things. If you want to come into general IT or programming, I will strongly discourage you. Let's go to another course, what they're offering. Let's see the fees. Yeah, the fees is okay. I mean, nothing, normal fees. Let me see. Electronic, computer programming, computer system technology. I want to see this one and let's see what is the difference between both three of them. Computer system technology, let's see what they are teaching you. Okay, now I got it. And then let me see the computer programming. Now I got it. He's in the wrong advanced diploma he's doing. I don't know what the hell is this. Anyway, let's talk this one. If you want to come into IT, if you want to work in a server room, if you want to become a network engineer, get a computer system technology advanced diploma, my friend. This is for you. If you want to get a computer A plus, this is the real stuff which will teach you Unix, Linux. I mean, PC hardware, introduction to data communication. They will teach you all the underlying stuff. Basic administration of Microsoft Windows, Shell. Get this one if you want to become a PC computer support technician. You want to get any job in IT, but if you want to become a software engineer, web developer, I will say go with this computer programming and analysis. But I'm not impressed of its content they are offering. I mean, introduction to C, similar. I mean, C++. They are not giving any PHP or something like dynamic programming language. Professional option. Anyway, screw with that. I mean, web programming and Unix, I don't know. Personally, only the best thing I can find between three of this one, like computer engineering technology, or this one, computer system technology, or database application development. Let's see what they are offering in application developer. Database web app. Okay, I get. They are teaching you SQL, SQL, Oracle. I think they're using, if they are using on Linux, definitely they will be using PHP, Java. Okay, now I got it. If you want to become a web developer, go and get a database application developer, which is only for 1 year. It's a certificate basically, it's not a advanced diploma anyway. To be honest with you, if you really want to become a web developer, who the hell cares you have a certificate or diploma? Only the world is scared. Do you know how to code? If you want to come into general IT, or I mean you want to get something similar to Bachelor of Science in IT or Information Communication System or Computing, something like that, then get yourself a computer system technology. To be honest with you, I will say transfer to computer system technology. I mean, just drop it out, to be honest with you. I mean, the stuff they're teaching you in computer engineering technology is not really what you want to become in IT. We really don't need that kind of knowledge. Only if you are going to build some kind of Internet of Things, then I mean, just go and then get this one, advanced diploma in computer system technology. And then let's see the Bachelor of Technology. What is the requirement for this one? I mean, basically, I really do not know how you have chosen computer engineering technology. Watch my video which tell you what is computer engineering. Go and get a computer system technology. I mean, I think you can transfer, I mean, some of your credit. I think you told me you did semester 1, right? You're already into semester 1. Let me open the computer engineering technology. I think you did a semester 1. It's similar in semester 1. Electricity, I mean, some of the credit you can transfer into it. Nothing, I think, nothing so much. I think college English, yes, you can transfer college English into it. Introduction to Linux, yeah, you can transfer introduction to some kind of Linux. I don't know, you have to talk with your tutor or your course provider or some kind of your director of the department you're doing. I think you have to talk in the computer department to one of the guy who is responsible for creating this all courses. Talk to him. Just I will say, come into computer system technology. Even I will not recommend you to going into networking. This is the best thing. This will be basically prepare you for the network engineer, for a website administrator, for a web developer. Much better. Even for a Cisco, like apply e-commerce. Do this one, my friend. And then for a bachelor in IT, which is 4 years, I will say stay away from for the 4 years, quite long. Anyways, I hope this answered the question. Go and get yourself computer system technology. Subscribe to my channel. It's me, Jimmy a Geek. If you have any question, just leave in the question box below. Bye bye.